No. What the fuck? It's fucking raining. They said it's a fucking 2% chance. Are you fucking for real, cunt? What the fuck? I'm gonna go move the car cover. What the fuck is this shit? This is fucking bullshit right here. I just posted the fucking last video and it starts raining. Fucking joke. Well, the rain's pissed off. Even though it only rained for a fraction of a fucking minute, maybe 2 minutes. It's gone away. It's a sunny fucking day. All our clocks got wound forward yesterday, so it's still getting used to it. It's like a fucking missing part of the day right now. It's fucking 8:30 in the fucking morning. Almost. It's like 8:20. But really that's like it's 7:20 because we fucking wound the cunts forward, so yeah, it's a fucking, well, there's a bit of fucking jizz there. Whoa. So today might be the day that this fucking car gets painted. So the wasps straight out aren't having a good time from the car cover being on for one day. The activity is gone from the nest. So we have this purple flavoured garbage bag for the engine bay. Been running the tape along similar to the fashion of the inside of the doors. Fucking bonnet's getting there. I spent a bit of time on it. Just gotta get another bag on the dog. Been trying to sweep up around the car, get rid of some dust. I'm fucking sanded the roof. I've been trying to prep her up. It's now midday. I fucking started at 9:30, 10 o'clock or something like that. This is how the car's looking now. Fully prepped. Ready to go. I need to do, oh fuck, I left the cap off the fucking wax and grease remover. It's just gonna evaporate away, but anyway, I need to do that, wipe the car down with the remover, and yeah, but it's very hot. The fucking roof is that hot, it's actually burning my hands because the metal's heated up in the sun, so I don't think that's optimal to paint on. The paint will probably bubble or something, so I'm gonna have to wait till the RV just to fucking get some paint on the dog. Now, I've just been talking about painting, so the fucking wind has picked up all of a sudden because it heard me fucking saying what I was gonna do. I don't know if you can see that, it's a bit of bullshit. Can't win around here. Need to get some fucking spray booth or something. Gonna fucking have to rent out a garage or some dumb shit. So yeah, we've fucking fully been put on hold. The sun's now too hot. There's only one thing to do. The fucking Ford Falcon's got no rego on it. So we're gonna have to get to the shops in some alternate method. Gonna go get the VBs, cunt. That cunt's got the VBs there. So that guy had the fucking right idea of the VBs, and it was actually my mate. So that was funny as because he started laughing at me. I fully lost my thongs. I tried to slow down the skateboard down the hill, the penny board, and my fucking thongs just got ripped off both my feet. The fucking pluggers got smashed. So I just threw them in some cunt's fucking green top bin, the wrong bin, but fuck, we need the VBs. Fuck cunt. Oh! Those fucking bindies. I forgot the face mask for COVID. So we're gonna have to fucking urban turban it in the fucking bottle load because we've got no fucking face mask. This is fucking gay. I was actually gonna unregisteredly drive the Falcon halfway down the hill, but probably better. I ended up seeing me mate, had a good yak. The bottle is shut. It's a fucking public holiday. Rode all this extra way to get to the special bottle outside and it's fucking shut. Fucking bullshit. Where's the fucking VBs at? In the fucking cold room car. I got him. Gotta get home now. Alright, so we're back from the big VB mission. And I didn't actually end up drinking any of them yet. It's kind of cooled down. I fucking wired up this contraption. Fucking gonna test your speed. See if it's good gear or what. We got the fucking thermometer right here. I don't have a fucking 9-volt battery, do I? So I've got fucking 4 of the AA's taped together. I just got to tape on the fucking positive down there. I've tested it, it works. So this is what we're doing now. We're going to test the temperature of the roof of the car to see how hot it is for when we paint on it. The bottom's taped up. Oh, what now? It doesn't work. It's working the whole fucking time before. Oh, hold up. Here is version 2 with a key taped to it. It worked. I think I wasn't pulling the trigger long enough. But now that it's taped together, it stopped working again. I think there's too many amps from this battery pack. And it's like, has a safety. It stops working. I don't know. Maybe that wire's pinched. Man, what type of luck do I have? So my dad's gone and got the battery for the fucking gun. It works. And every time I would plug it in, it would stop working when I made mine set up. We got this, you know, it shines a fucking laser beam and it works. But it doesn't work on metal apparently. Watch this. We got the laser. Bullshit. It works. How is that? See, it's working now. Look. Saying it's like fucking 9 degrees. I'll try it on the roof. -8 degrees. The connie's like warm as fuck. Ah, that is definitely hotter. But apparently it's... Whoa, alright. So it doesn't get an accurate reading on the fucking metal because the laser doesn't like work properly. But it just hit 50 degrees. The car is all prepped, it's ready. I'm literally about to mix the paint up. And this wind has just come out of nowhere. It stopped because I started filming, but the fucking, this car cover was just like lifting up to my head height. What the fuck can I do? Trying to make the mix up now. I swear the hardener's like fish oil. It smells nasty as. Well, it's like a face. Skull pumpkin. Should put some thinners in it. Got the primer mixed up. Got some cling wrap on it. As you do, so no dust falls in it. Gonna go back out to the car. Well, I got my spray gun all cleaned out now. The airline's hooked up. Honestly, I think I could actually just start spraying it right now. We just got this wind. So this is the last time you're gonna see it like this. Unfortunately. Or fortunately, however you want to be about it. Might move these wheels actually. run out of prime. I gotta go get some more out of the cup. Lucky I actually mixed up enough this time. So we got a bit of bare metal there. Gonna go over the bog here. I noticed there's some fucking pinholes in it. Some of the Milosh didn't sort out when he had too many Cooper's Reds yesterday. Said we're all G to paint the car. Anyway. Oh no, the gun's blocking up. Yeah. Still see the line in it. It's not perfect, but it's not that smashed really. It looks kind of acceptable with the bog in it. The car is fully primed. First time for this. Instead of a half job, it's actually done fully. Gonna have to get some high spot filler. Fuck, that's dinged in the guard, the side. You can see a lot of dings in this car, eh? A lot of them. It's fucking 4:15 in the RV. Been going at it all day. Like legit. I keep thinking like I have brakes and all these like brakes, but my brakes are like a 5 minute, like me drinking a fucking sip of milk or something. Like, it's pretty crazy. Like, non-stop. There is a grey Skyline with dings and shopping bags and primer on it. I really should try and get a base coat on it while I've got it like everything taped up alright, but I gotta sand it first. Gotta sand the primer. So it's gonna take a while. It's 4:20, but we wound the clocks forward, so it's really like it's 3:20, which means it's really like there's at least like an hour and 40 minutes of fucking sunlight / wind light. So, and the sun went down like 7 o'clock yesterday. Maybe we might get the fucking base coat on. There's graffiti in the rims. Oh no, he's seen me. It's all wrapped up, primed, wrapped up. I started sanding it, but had to go do some stuff. So yeah, that's it for the day. Hopefully, like we've got the car cover on, the primer can't rust through and shit, I don't think, so should be pretty right. Can't paint it tomorrow because we've got wind all day, ironically, the big wind. Well, that's what the weatherman says, they're not very accurate, so we might get to paint it, we'll find out.